Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools for all your home and garden projects. Today, we're going to talk about the best concrete walk maker, the VanSmaGo concrete molds and forms. If you're looking to add a unique touch to your garden or patio, this is the perfect solution. Imagine transforming your outdoor spaces into a beautiful, custom-designed pathway with minimal effort. This set of concrete molds allows you to create gorgeous stepping stones for your garden walkways, patios, or any outdoor area. Each mold is 13 by 13 inches, and you get 4 molds in the pack, allowing you to create a series of stones in your preferred layout. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use, even for those who've never tried making their own garden paths before. Let's dive into the details of how this mold works. First, you don't need any special skills or tools to use it. Simply prepare your concrete mix and pour it into the mold. Use a shovel or trowel to fill each cavity, smooth the surface, and then remove the mold before the concrete sets. You can repeat these steps to lay out your entire walkway, giving you a personalized design that's just right for your space. The VanSmaGo concrete walk maker is made of high-quality plastic, which makes it durable and long-lasting. After each use, you can clean the mold with water, and it's ready to be reused, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. Plus, the unique shape of each stone creates an exotic and artistic look for your outdoor areas. This is a fantastic option for anyone looking to add a personal flair to their garden or patio. If you want to get even more creative, you can add colorant to your concrete mix to give the stones a more natural finish, perfectly blending them into your landscape. Whether you want a sleek, modern look or something a little more rustic, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're ready to take your outdoor spaces to the next level, the VanSmaGo concrete molds and forms are a must-have. It's the easiest way to create a professional-looking pathway that adds character to your home. Be sure to check it out and start creating your dream garden walkway today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.